One of a very high probability strategy that I teach day in, day out, and we trade live in our community is the news plus 1 hour MTF breakouts. So first of all, we need to focus on the news. We need to prepare in the pre-market. What is the news? What is the news for the whole sector? For example, today there was a big news on Oklo and LBRT, Strategic Alliance to Accelerate Integrated Power Solution. There was also some news on CEG, other energy names were pretty strong. So the whole sector was strong. We know that there's a big news. Then we analyze the chart. We made a plan in the pre-market, support or resistance levels you can see right here. And we also planned, I was live in pre-market when I make this plan, that we are going to trade this versus the 1 hour MTF. For LBRT, we're going to trade it versus daily MTF. So that was the plan in the pre-market, and then we executed it all day long for a home run, huge winner for the traders. 1 hour MTF cloud just tells us that 1 hour trend is turning bullish. When that trend turns bullish on the news, it gives a high probability trades. When it fails, it's a small loser, but when it runs, it's usually a pretty good winner. So as soon as the market opened, I told the traders that the 1 hour MTF long triggered. Your stops under the MTF clouds. As we started to push up in the first 10 minutes, I told the traders to move the stops up. The first target I gave was 68. We hit our 68 target by 10 a.m. As we pushed higher, we moved our stops to 65. So 65 where our stops were, and then we hit the 68 target, and then the next target I gave was a $70, and by end of the day we did hit our $70 target. That was almost a $5 per share profit, so risking $1,000, you're making over $4,000. That's the kind of risk reward you trade. The options went a couple 100%, huge home run. Second one we traded long was LBRT. The plan was pretty simple again, 12 support, 1250 resistance, and it was a daily MTF cloud. As soon as that flag broke out of the daily MTF cloud, I told my traders to long that, and we ran all day. Of course, Oklo was the leader, but LBRT also joined the fun. It ran from the Ripster daily MTFs all the way to 14, closer to the $14. Even if you risked $1,000 there, you could make $6,000 because the move was such a nice breakout move. Take a long at 12.30, 12.20, put the stops at 12, take it all the way to 13.80. Beautiful winner, small price stock. That's how you do it. Oklo, LBRT, strong news, catalyst, and MTF cloud long setups.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.